Hello friends, how are you? This is Devyani Singh. Welcome back my channel. In this video I present to you garden decoration ideas. So let's start. First of all, vertical garden. A great way to save space. Vertical gardening allows you to grow plants upward instead of horizontally. Vertical gardening is more than just a space saving technique. Container gardening is the perfect solution for those working with limited outdoor areas. Container gardening, an easy way to start. Container gardening is perfect for a small space like balcony and patio and garden. Use planter supports, help your crop grow taller and straighter with your plant off the ground and give them better access to sunlight while also adding a visual interest to your small garden. Stay organized with plant markers from tomatoes and cucumbers to jalapeno peppers.